CHZ in every way that really matters faces opposition at 20 cents, or so they explicitly thought. CHZ down roughly 4.04% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which certainly is very huge. Chilliz fundamentally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, so Chilliz by and large shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. 27 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these often in a real sense, essentially got clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly by and large is truly momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, certainly is CHZ for the most part wise speculation. Which certainly is very huge, which is genuinely critical. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, showing that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, amazingly. Be that as it may, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the CHZ specialized examination, essentially certainly let us for the most part discuss the extremely in every practical sense current economic situations, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the CHZ specialized investigation. For the most part let us by and large in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which is genuinely critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in an unobtrusive manner. The by and large absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $51,887,486,523, which most certainly is very critical, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of really significant manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, which truly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly sort of has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally sort of significant manner, which is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, entirely as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large really local coin of XRP, basically sort of is somewhere around 3.54 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, or so they especially thought in a significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20, or so they truly thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially sort of is going in a kind of descending bearing for in every practical sense, especially present moment, especially further appearance, how the ridiculously complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $51,887,486,523, which sort of is very huge. Right now, a genuinely broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense recognize especially extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers become certainly sort of more really dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers for the most part move fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a kind of large manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, extremely is at $0.072, down 4.04% in the actually by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically generally has a value change of 6.2% throughout the week, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking in an essentially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC Soar of really is 71,259,252.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $545,966,455 United States dollars, which fundamentally by and large shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, or so they thought. There certainly are practically 7,595,073,480 entirely are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which generally certainly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Chilliz Value Investigation CHZ Cost Examination for 27 November 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, entirely made sense of underneath, which explicitly is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving decently kind of normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Chilliz. Which truly shows that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which in every practical sense, by and large is genuinely huge. The truly relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin in every way that really matters is as of now floating at 28 for 14 days reasonably certainly normal line. Which essentially implies CHZ especially is in oversold zone, and a pattern decently inversion truly is certainly especially conceivable in an unpretentious manner. The Chilliz truly has explicitly break all its truly upholds levels, and things quite are not looking truly great for the crypto market, showing how market examination over the especially genuinely last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in a by and large significant manner. Right now, truly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take CHZ cost beneath the significant help level of 17 cents, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping commonly in every practical sense, profound into the CHZ specialized examination, by and large basically allowed us truly to discuss the all things considered, extremely current economic situations. Showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, especially let us by and large especially discuss the really current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. The CHZ United States dollar moving genuinely beautiful normal combination